Look at this. Look at this. It's awful. It's so awful, you guys. My desk. This, okay, now listen. I'm one of those people that like, let me have a seat here. To the outside observer, I think people would look at my apartment and say, you're messy. Now, yes, I mean, especially in cases like this, it's probably my mom texting me saying, yeah, you are. To me, it's organized chaos, you know, most of the time. Yeah, there's just like piles of stuff places, but the piles serve a purpose and the piles are organized. That's not the case right now, and this is driving me insane. My desk has been like this for like probably a week now, and it's driving me insane. I just haven't had a moment to really get in and deep clean it like I want to, but today's the day, now's the time. I am going to get to it. Let's see, pull you a little bit closer here and we can talk through the process, yeah? So basically, I mean, so I've got my desk set up in front of a window here in my office, and it's great for doing makeup. But one of the biggest problems of having an office is just that I can shut the door and forget about it, but then when I go to work, I have to remember that it's a mess. So, okay, got my little Sailor Moon notebook here that I take notes on the foundations and stuff that I'm testing. I can toss that over to my filming area for the end of the night because I am testing out a foundation today. I also, let's see, had out this stationery to write a thank you letter to someone / a congrats letter to a giveaway letter to a giveaway letter to a giveaway winner of mine. I actually need this so that I can write another one because I've got a giveaway that's ending either today or tomorrow. I need to check on that on Rafflecopter, but I've got a little sample from Sephora here. Let's see, retinol cream and a hydration serum. I can give those a try. We've got a pre-cleanse balm. See, these should go in my bathroom where I use this stuff. Why it's here on my desk, I couldn't tell you. Got some Kleenex that I was using to clean off some makeup brushes. There, they were only partially used and now they're fully used. Got a receipt that needs to get filed away. Got some cardboard from the foundation I'm testing today. Gotta break this down. Ugh. I was feeling so strong with that first rip. This will go to recycling. Got my books that I keep all my taxes and stuff in, which I'm gonna throw in the drawer for now, but we are gonna be organizing that drawer. Got the lip gloss that I just like can't stop using this month. It's so good. Like simple, but what a delight. Oh man, we've got some brushes that these ones could probably be used once more. Whatever. These I can wash. We'll bring these to get washed. And this can get put away. Alright. I've got a bunch of these Brilliant Eyes liquid eyeshadows from L'Oreal, which, oh my gosh, you guys, these are gorgeous. I do need an eyeshadow primer with them, but ooh, I'm enjoying using them. They should be going in my acrylic holder, but we have to clean there first. So let's do that. A couple mascaras I was testing. This eyeshadow palette, I've been trying to like go through my eyeshadow palettes and see which ones I actually like and want to keep, and I thought I was gonna like this one from Smashbox. I just don't. So that's going into the friends and fam pile. Now this is just hard because I've got a few products that I'm going to be filming my best and worst of beauty for the month tomorrow, and so these products were just sitting here because I wanted to include them, but they're kind of in the way. Sure, I'm going to put them aside for now. This is a print that I had done back in undergrad, and I thought it would be able to stick on the wall with just some tape. I was wrong. Don't worry, I've since purchased a frame, so we will be able to frame that. This pile of foundations. I think the best way to, I feel like that's just blurry. Is that at least a little better? I don't know, you can kind of see things better. So I've got foundations and stuff that I had been testing. These just need to go in probably donate pile. You'll be seeing this after I reviewed this foundation, but this is certainly going in the donate. It just drives me crazy to have all this stuff sitting out, especially when I know it used to fit in here. Okay, so this little bin here was where I was keeping, you know, kind of everyday essentials. Like I was keeping setting sprays, foundations, brow products, highlighters, concealers, that sort of a thing, but it was just starting to be on overflow. So let's see. Here are setting sprays and primers I enjoy or am testing, that sort of a thing. Then kind of, you know, favorite foundations that I reach for all the time. This is already making me feel so much better. Some of this stuff it's just time to throw away. Haven't used it in a long time and or just will not be using. That's all brow pencils, brow gel, as well as my eyeshadow primers. Then we can continue with concealers, although I don't really need to keep all of these out. We'll just keep out the ones that I'm kind of really reaching for the most right now, which would be those ones. I do love these, but they can go where concealers should go, aka in my makeup drawer that is not here. Same thing with highlighters that I was storing in here, but I just think that is unnecessary. I'm gonna grab ones that I've been meaning to use more, and those will eventually get transferred up here. Let's see, these are the blush and highlight I've been using a lot lately. I've been wanting to try this as a blush. I'm gonna put these away. Woo, things are coming along. So now, let's see, got all of the mascaras that I had kept out. Some of these are definitely on the dried up, time to get rid of side. One of which being my CoverGirl Supersizer. That actually might be the only one, at least that I've tried recently. I think the rest of these are pretty good to go. I don't know why I was keeping this one in here. This one just, I've tried so many times, it's just not good. It's from ColourPop. It's the BFF Volumizing Mascara in Wine O'Clock. It just doesn't show up as maroon, no matter how I try and wear it, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. This blue one is a lot of fun. It looks like it's still good. Yeah, the rest of these should be good still too. Yay, oh happy day! All of my more like everyday stuff. Yay! Oh yeah, and then these are all mascaras that I need to test and or photograph for an upcoming video. Sure, those I was just kind of keeping tucked back here. Now, if we turn you, hopefully, I think you guys can see that. So this is just where I keep a lot of kind of extra stuff and then also eyeshadow stuff. I've got a bunch of liquid liners in here, these brushes. I've just got a bunch of these Smashbox, what are they called, cover shot palettes that I like using for very simple looks. Okie dokie. I've just got some Tarte blush palettes in here. Actually, as much as I was enjoying this Park Avenue Princess palette, I think I'm going to declutter it just because it's really big and bulky and I only use a couple of the powders in there anyways, and those powders that I do use, I don't need them. My Charlotte Tilbury palette that I use every day, I mean, I'd much rather just have that because that's what the contour that I like anyways. And then also I'm just going to put the highlighters that I've been using and enjoying slash one that I want to try out a little more. I've got some other random favorites. And these I want to put with my Disney ColourPop. Oh, is it too tall? I hope not. Fiufta. Oh, yay, perfect fit. I've also just got like some everyday powders in there. This drawer I've just got some pot gel liners. Honestly, some other liquid liners that are likely very worn out or dead at this point. I should test those. A vamp stamp that I don't use really at all anymore, but I do think is a good tool to just have. I'm trying to think how I want to organize this. So I did have like some glitters and stuff. I guess this is more of like a finishing glitter, so I'll put it in there. A lot of these, I'm trying to think. This Ciate eye luster is actually really, really pretty, but it's okay on my lids, but the L'Oreal ones work a lot better, and there's a color that's almost identical to this, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. Let's see, these are still good. Quite a few of these are just old, like these Maybelline color tattoos. I did really love these, but their time has come and gone, I do believe. And I've just got like shadow sticks in here, which I think I'm gonna move the shadow sticks in here. And then I'm gonna put the lovely liquid shadows in there along with two other liquid shadows that are favorites of mine. Yay! And I've just got a bunch of Milk makeup. I wonder, I mean, these are so old. It's one of those things where I like using them every now and then, but I think they're just probably old. I think I probably just need to like call it a day on these. I've used them as much as I could, but I think the time has come. They are just old, which actually makes me kind of sort of, It makes me kind of sort of, So maybe I can keep shadow sticks separate. Interesting choice, self. And then up top on here, I keep some makeup sponges, some products that are likely old, but I just think they're so pretty. And so I keep them, but also some favorite nudie glosses. I actually feel like I'm kind of changing my mind on things. So I've got a couple other liquid shadows I've been trying to test. I've also got this Baby Fenty Beauty that I forgot I had that I really liked. I'm thinking maybe my favorite foundations, they can live up top. I don't think that solved anything. Cassie, why did you do that? I don't know. I was just trying a thing. I take it all back. Okay, that makes sense. And these I can still keep up here for testing. Whee! Let's see if any of these still have some. Yes, but it's pretty old. I don't even remember this Clinique one. Maybe there's a reason. I mean, I can't imagine I would have kept it if it sucked. But then, oh, really now? Okay, Marc Jacobs. I will keep you out to remember to test you. And then one that everyone loves. I want to love the Stila one. I mean, it looks like it's still got some good juice in it, so I just need to actually remember to test these. So I'm going to have those sticking straight up, so I do so. And these two I'll just have to throw away. Their time is up. And then, oh, my little Benefit What's Up. So cute and happy. I don't know why that was with single shadows here, but okay, stranger things have happened in my life. As I said, I've just got a bunch of single shadows that I like using for kind of one and done looks, as well as some ones that I've been meaning to use more or test, whatever you want to call it. Those were jellies that were beautiful. The Hourglass one is gorgeous. And this is so pretty. We'll give it a try. If I don't use it in the next month-ish or so, I'll have to get rid of it. But for now, we will keep that in there. Yay! Do you see what I see? It's me in the mirror. Can you see me? No, not really. You can see my sweatshirt. Cool! And then maybe... Oh, that's just such a perfect fit, though. Just some eyeshadow palettes that I've been loving and reaching for. Oh, they fit so nicely. Oh, yay. Whee! Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? All right, my friends, the finished product that absolutely might look very messy still to some, but to me, oh, what an improvement. You're probably getting all sorts of reflections, but I got this all nice and framed up, which was a process because the frame ended up being broken, the glass inside, and then having to get that returned and yet da 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 da. But here is my little beauty corner. Feels so nice. I've got my shelf with all of my foundation and eyeshadow brushes up there. Got some just some cute little things that I like looking at, as well as, you know, these things that I either just think are pretty or I'm actually testing out, like these eyeshadows, cream eyeshadows. You know, I've got my sponges. Sorry, they're dirty, but you know, I got all of this all cleaned out and organized. I mean, cream shadows, stencils, liquid glitter shadows. I've got all of my face powders in here, and then contouring blush highlight that I'm using at the moment, as well as just blushes and highlights that I love to look at. I mean, they're good too, but I've also got the mirror that I use during filming. Hello. I've got this little pyramid that one of you made me. I've got my little Smashbox trios, eyeliners, eyeshadow singles, brushes that I'm using at the moment, little sumo guy that one of you gave me that rocks back and forth in the sunlight, color switch, some lipstick samples I'm using at the moment, and then just, you know, my everyday stuff, my primers and setting sprays, my eyebrow products, my mascaras, concealers, foundations, and then more mascaras that I'm testing out. My little Daruma towel that serves as a partial color switch, and just like while I'm doing my makeup, you know, I've got my dirty foundation brush, set that down or whatever, and I don't have to worry about it getting all over the white desk. You know, tripod, little fan that I got from Target so many years ago, but keeps me nice and cool while filming because sometimes it gets hot in here. And then this box from a ColourPop collection that I just think is pretty. You know, I usually have my laptop or my iPad or something set on here while I'm doing my makeup so that I can have something to watch or listen to. But yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, and my drawers. So organized, made me so happy. I totally forgot that I had done this one day, and when I opened my drawer to grab for something like a lip balm or whatever, I like nearly cried. I was just so happy with how organized it was. I've got little fidget toys here, little squishes for if I'm feeling like I need to fidget with something. Just a little thing that holds little pins and pin backs, you know, stapler, hard drive, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then this thing actually slides, which is really cool. Obviously, these sticky notes are in the way, but I thought that was neat. That was from the Container Store. But, you know, I've got all of my lip balms, some eyeglasses, and screen cleaners, a little donut push pin holder, so cute. Just more random pins and scissors and tapes and pens and whatever else. Little things I can use on my face if I'm feeling stressed out while sitting here, you know, just whatever. I'm just so happy to have that organized. It feels so good. And yeah, I also got this little squishy mat from Doki Doki by Japan Crate, which I love, that I ended up putting right there. So yeah, here is the finished process. Sorry I had kind of, you know, stopped filming at one point. I just did. But hey, at least you are seeing the finished product here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and, you know, just organizing a little bit with me, seeing my mess, and just seeing my little area where I film my videos in general. I know some of you were curious, and just to see my kind of everyday makeup setup. I know, this is everyday makeup? Yeah, it is. I don't use all of it every day, but a lot of it is the stuff I grab for every day. So yeah, definitely let me know if you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, etc. I love hearing from you guys. You can also just let me know anything else, other videos you want to see me film, that sort of stuff in the comments below. And if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!